What up, what up, what up? Share the live, people. Once you're on, just share it, alright? In the meantime, go and attempt these questions and then we can compare. Come on, people, share it, share it, share it. What the people need help? Every year, many students fail. We have to do our part. You have to do your part. Your part have to share it so them can get the help, alright? Don't be selfish now. Somebody just text me to them one class, you see it? People need help. Alright. Share the live, people, share the live. If you live on the live, share it with your friends. And we are going to start in about 5 minutes or so. Share the live. So Bennett free class. Weekdays, 5 p.m. Nobody can tell me say we can't love my country. Nobody can tell me say we can't love my people. Them something here make me happy, I'm gonna do it. Help. If it's even one person, I'm sure it's gonna help if I even one person. The number of feedback I get back from people I say, Mr. Bennett, I love what you do, I not lie. So just share it, share it, share it. So when we start, people can benefit from it. And for the people who are joining later, you know the ships go already, right? You know the ships go already. When you try the questions first, and then we can move forward. Just go to school today. I guess so. Still, I find the time to do it because at the end of the day, every child needs help. You don't have to promote yourself, you know, because people are doing it for you already. But this is not a promotion. It's not a promotion. It's just to help people. Right now we nature, you know. So we turn teacher. So we can help build the nation. So guys, just share it, leave some comments, and then we are gonna start. Alright. You know the shops go already. I go up on the gram, I go up on the TikTok, I share. I would everywhere, you know. I want people can benefit from the skills. Alright, so guys just attempt it, and then in 5 minutes time we start shell along this place. Alright, so the first thing we're going to look on is number 1, and it says simplify. Now these are called algebraic fraction. They are fraction, but they are algebra in one. So it's like a mixture of algebra, right? And algebra is a branch of mathematics where we use letters instead of numbers, right? So the approach I want you guys to take is this. If you have, once is take away or addition, you must bring them to a common denominator. So the rules for these are governed by the normal fraction rule. Everybody should be able to do a fraction. A fraction will be your number 1 question on your paper. Your first 3 marks are going to be a fraction. Fraction, decimal, standard form, and so forth. Alright. So what we do, we find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. Meaning the lowest number that 3 and 4 can go into. This would be 12. And then we can say 3 into 12. How many set of 3s we can get out of 12? That would be 4. And then we expand the bracket, because the bracket means to multiply. So 4 times 2x would be 8x. 4 times 1 would be 4. Alright. So now we have a minus here. Be mindful of that. Alright, so you say 4. How many 4s they can get out of 12? That would be 3. And then now we are multiplying by a negative 3. That is the most critical part of it. Because if you go ahead and multiply by 3, 4, 12, no, it's a negative 3. So negative 3 times 4 would give us negative 12x. Again, negative 3 times 8 will give us negative 24. So after which now guys, we just group the like terms. I don't have much space, but it's 8x minus 12x. That will give us negative 4x. And 4 minus 24, that will give us negative 20 over 12. We can reduce this because all of these numbers 4 can be divided into it, right? So 4 into itself 1, 4 into this 5, 4 into this 3. So the final answer would be, underestimate this space, negative x minus 5 upon 3. So that would be our answer. Same procedure with this one. We find the lowest common multiple, which is 20. I'll draw the line up closer this time. 4 into 20 goes 5 times, so we multiply by 5. 5, 5, 25. So we get, remember bracket means to multiply. 5 times 3 is negative 15. Alright, 5 into this goes 4 times. The difference now, this is 4, but this is a positive 4 because it's a plus. So we can go ahead and multiply. So 4 times 6 would be 24x. And 4 times 4 would be 16. So the group we like terms them now, we have the space, say 25x plus 24x minus 15 plus 16, and we maintain the LCM, right? So this gives us 24. We can only add like terms, so all the x's are together. So add up all the x's them, yeah. So you get 49x. Negative 15 plus 16 gives us a plus 1. And we put the LCM, which is 20. These are critical, so guys, be careful of them. Alright. This one, no. This was a problem today. We could deal with it. Bilious. Alright. So, now it's different, right? It's like you flip it. So, the LCM, the denominator of the algebraic terms. The easiest way to do it is to say this and this can go into each other, right? This and this can go into itself, rather. So, we use that as the LCM. So, we use x plus 4 times x plus 1. Right? Because x plus 4 into this can cancel out this, so that you leave that. And similarly, x plus 1 into this will cancel itself. Right? Because anything divided by itself give you a 1. Check it. 9 divided by 9, 1. 8 divided by 8, 1. It will drift. Pi divided by pi, 1. Whatever divide, you know? So this into this would leave this. So we have x plus 1. No, Mr. Bing. What are you doing? Put it up at top. I want them can see it. Yeah, go on with sir. Put the bracket, because bracket means to multiply. A common error, students just go ahead and say 5 times x is 5x, and then you put what the plus 1. No! The bracket means to multiply both terms. Alright, if you're not sure of that, go back to some of my earlier videos. We go through every single thing. The entire syllabus is on this, you know. Nobody know if you are getting a grade 2, straight 1. And x plus 1 into this will leave this x plus 4. So we can just expand bracket now. 5 to this is like multiplying by negative 3. So negative 3 times that will give us negative 3x. And negative 3, a negative times a positive is negative. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. So we can go ahead and group the like terms. So it's 5x minus 3x. Remember, we can only add and subtract like terms. So 5 minus 12, and we maintain the LCM. So x plus 4 times x plus 1. So this 5 minus 3 would give us 2x. And 5 minus 12 will give us negative 7. Guys, if you don't know these, just go check my channel for the earlier videos. And that's it. Simple as that. So now we go ahead, same procedure. This time is a plus. Just kind of want to give you guys a feel of what go on. So we have x minus 2 and x plus 6. This can come in the multiple choice, especially this type. So x minus 1 into that, we leave that. So we have x plus 6. And then this into itself, we're going to leave x minus 2. So we just expand the bracket now. So 6 times x would be 6x. 6 times 6 would be 36. The person that I just sent the link to and said join the class, you're asking about class, I'll talk to you after, alright? Yeah. I'm going to have class with you, man. Don't worry yourself. I'm going to just watch a live here and I will text you after, alright? I have a number. I just send you the link so you can take in a free class here. So 3 times x would be 3x. 3 times 2 would be negative 6. So now we can just group the like terms. So it's 6x plus 3x. And we have what? 36 minus 6. 36 minus 6. Maintain the LCM, which is x plus 2 times x plus 6. So 6x plus that will give us 9x, 36 plus 30, and we maintain the LCM, which is x plus 2 times x plus 6. Guys, what is this fuss about? What is this fuss about? It is very simple. Just follow the rules. Same like a fraction, follow the rules. When you're adding and subtracting, we must bring them to a common denominator. Alright, so 2 types I gave you, giving you guys some time to write off that, and then we can discuss. What if it was multiplication, what would you do then? Let us discuss that. What about the line? One thing, something, what about the line for? Just draw back the line, guys. It's like a little guide to say, alright? Don't go over too much. Alright, let us look at this one. Say we add 6x same procedure, simplify. How do you guys do this? 6x divided by 4 divided by 3x over 8. How do you guys do that? Leave it in the comment section. Attempt that one, guys. Attempt that one. Swag one. Leave it in the comment section what you guys got. And guys, if you are there, leave a like, alright? So I can know somebody there, because this is not a real stream, it's a second-hand stream. So leave a like so I can know that people actually watching. I can't see it right now to know what's happening, but we know the shrimps already. Alright, just leave a like, guys. Let me know say it, because that show up, that the like show up. It never tell me say one person watching or two person watching. So sometimes I'm alone and I think that people watching. Sometimes people watching and I think I'm alone. Alright, what's the approach to this? So we have 6x divided by 4, or we can just say over, make it sound more simple. 6x over 4 divided by 3x over 8. We know it's a divide, right? So what this is just like with a normal fraction, where we say, I could say 2 over 3 divided by 4 over, for argument 8, right? What we do is to say 2 over 3 times 8 over 4, or invert. So it's the same procedure. It's the same procedure, guys. So let us do it. The only thing, we have the algebra in there. So let us approach it. So it's 6x over 4. Maintain that. The first fraction. Times. And now we're going to reciprocate. So this becomes 8 over 3x. And then now we can simplify. So x cancel x. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 6, 2. 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 8, 2. So the answer would be 4. So that one was very simple. It's like a warm. Now I want you guys to attempt this one. Again, guys, leave a like or something. Let me know say you're dead there. To be honest, it doesn't matter if anyone is not there. At some point, these videos will be valued, these videos will be appreciated, and the persons will take advantage of these videos. So for me, it's not about the likes now or whatever now. I know eventually this is gonna go very far and people will appreciate all of this. So I'm just gonna continue. Want to stay on for about half an hour, time will go. So I could do something else. Alright, attempt that one, guys. And let's see what's happening. Alright, again, we do the same procedure, which is write back this, changes to multiplication, and then we reciprocate. So it would be 2x plus 4 divided by upon 3 times 5, because we're going to reciprocate, so 5 go up the top now, x plus 2. And then we can cancel whatever can cancel and simplify. We can do it two ways. We can either cancel out like the x right there, or we can multiply it across. So 5 times this would be 5 2's 10x, 5 4's 20. And then we can multiply this times this. So 3 times that would be 3x plus 6. So this, so 10 plus that would be what? 13. 3 plus 6, 9. And we can simplify with 3. 3 can go into this 10 times and 3 into this 3 times. So that's what? 3 and 1/3. And that will be our answer. Let me just look for another one, guys. I saw one the other day when I was in a class. Can't find it. Alright. So the book here, my HOD give me. Pick up yourself, Miss Evans. I found it. This one says, this is an actual past paper also, 4x squared times 3x to the 4th divided by 6x to the 3rd. Attempt that one, guys. Leave it in the comment section, alright? And also, I think I did this one already. 5p upon 3q divided by 4p squared upon q. So attempt these two. And these are value 4 marks, 3 marks each. Guys, I have love for people, you know, I have love for people. Alright, attempt these guys and I'll be back to complete. Alright, ready again, ready again. Don't know, I'm just gonna share some food to my son, so I'm gonna cook. I have to do everything multitask, you know? Yeah, my son, so can't neglect him for YouTube. Alright. So what's the approach? We can do this one out of two ways. We can either simplify directly, or we can just multiply 4 times 3 and x times that. Doesn't matter which way we do it, we're gonna get the same answer. So I'm gonna take the root of, say, you know what, simplify. Because 3 and 6 can simplify. So 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 6, 2 times. So I could just rewrite what we have now. We have 4x squared times 3x, no, not 3x, x to the fourth now, because we cancel out the x, right? Upon 2x cubed. So now we can cancel the 2 and the 4. So 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 4, 2. So we're left with this now. 2x squared times x to the fourth divided by x to the third. Remember the rule when we are laws of indices. Remember that rule when we are dividing. X to the fourth divided by x to the 3. I'm going to look on that one. It's like I said, x times x times x times x divided by, oh, big up mirrors for the marker them. Usually buy marker, but I'm going to school today, so get markers. Right? So we just cancel. So as we can see, 1 leave. So it would be 2x squared times x, and then this is the same thing as 2x, but add the powers, 2 plus 1, so x to the third, and that would be our final answer. See why this were 3 marks? Alright, by now everyone should have done 5p divided by 3q divided by 4p squared divided by q. Everyone should complete that by now. Alright, so let us complete that, and we're going to stop the live there. So as we say, write back the 5p, 3q, we change this to multiplication, but now we have to reciprocate. So the q go up there, so, and that go down there. So. Alright, we can cancel again. Q can go into q, so that leave 3, p into p1, so this leave p1. So up the top we have a 5, and then we have 3 times 4p. So the final answer would be 5. 3 times 4 is 12p, and that is our answer. Again guys, look if you see any error, just in case. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. You can share with other people. I might go live again later. Different topic, different meds. Alright? Thank you guys so much. I don't have any questions to leave with you. I'm going to leave a question with you guys. Just for practice. Practice. If you can get it. So I'm going to leave this one with you. So this is 4s. Let me use r. Some people will miss it too. That's our 5. So attempt that one, guys. I'm gonna give you guys some time to attempt it. Not gonna do the solution, but leave it in the comment section and we can discuss it. Guys, although you are part of the channel already, just share it to your friends them so they can benefit too. Weekdays at 5, live with Mr. Ben. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out. No doubt. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. I might go live again. It depends. It's either that or FIFA. Later. Big up on yourself.